Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to the ultimate guide to iPhone battery preservation. So I will just show you. Number one thing is that you will just optimize your charging and enable optimized battery charging and avoid frequent full discharge. You will be just move in the settings and in the find like battery right over here, and make sure you will just turn it on the optimize charging. And the second is thing is that you will just reduce your screen usage like lower brightness, and you will just use dark mode and enable auto lock. You will just move in this brightness and make sure you will just have a low brightness, and you will just also using the dark mode in your when your battery is low, and you will just turn it on the auto lock. So you will just turn it on the auto lock within the 30-second or the 1 minute. It is up to you. And the third thing is that you will just go in the apps, and you will just manage background activity. You will just close like unused app and disable background app refresh and limit location services. And example, I will just tap on this chat gpt. So you will just find the live activity, and you will just turn it off if it unused app. So that's it. And you will just use the like lower mode, activate it when the battery is low. So you will just to extend usage, you will just simply move in the battery section when your phone is lower in 20. So you will just turn it on this lower power mode. So it is very helpful to for the battery preservation. So avoid extreme temperatures. Keep your iPhone between 0 to 35 temperature to prevent battery damage. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.